Hi, everyone. Welcome to this week's edition of What's Driving Token Prices. I'm your host, Katie Talati, Director of Research at Arca. For those joining for the first time, my team, I'm responsible for identifying and analyzing digital asset and blockchain opportunities for Arca's funds. As part of our research, my team and I examine token prices and the market events that act as catalysts for price change. Based on our research and market events over the past week, here we're going to share some notable token price movements and what we think drove those moves. Before we get started, this is a reminder, this commentary is not intended to be investment advice, investment research, or an investment recommendation. Please consult your investment professional for your own circumstances. All right, so this week to start, we have LooksRare, or the Looks token. So NFT trading platform LooksRare announced last week it would remove NFT royalties on its platform, which is following in the footsteps of other NFT marketplaces, including Magic Eden, X2Y2, and SudoSwap. So LooksRare actually plans to distribute 50 basis points or 25% of its protocol fee to creators to help with this transition, which actually pretty good considering most platforms are just like, we're going to do away with the fees. So for context, LooksRare is the third largest NFT marketplace after OpenSea and X2Y2, generating about $1.5 billion in annualized volumes as of last month. Despite this potential change, LooksRare has traded down 7.2% on the week. Next up, we have Mutable X, or IMX. So layer 2 scaling solution Mutable X announced today the release of GameStop's NFT marketplace on top of Immutable. So last year, GameStop and Mutable X forged a partnership that included an exchange of IMX tokens, which, if you don't recall, GameStop immediately market sold, crashing the price of IMX. The project also recently announced, I think it was last week or early this week, that they resold tokens that unlocked from the early private rounds to new investors, including Coinbase, Kinetic Capital, and others. So hopefully things will be on the up and up for IMX, although with all this positive news, they're only up 60 basis points on the week. Next up is StepIn and GMT, its governance token. So the creators of Move to Earn project StepIn announced this week that they'd be rolling out a new NFT trading marketplace that charges users a monthly subscription to trade instead of royalties and trading fees. The marketplace, called More, MOOAR, will be an interesting test to see if it can find product market fit as a subscription service in Web3. At its height, just as a reminder, guys, StepIn had over 1 million daily active users and currently has over 4.7 million registered users. So the conversion to their marketplace will be an interesting one. StepIn is up 3.3% on the week following this news. All right, last up, but not least, I had to mention this one, Dogecoin. So in case you haven't been following the news this week, Elon Musk officially finalized his purchase of Twitter. Speculation has brewed for quite some time that Musk might institute Dogecoin, the meme digital asset he's previously promoted, for micropayments as he looks to begin charging Twitter users. Yesterday morning, Doge soared after Musk tweeted a photo of a Shiba Inu wearing a Twitter t-shirt next to a pumpkin with the Twitter logo. So obviously this is all hearsay, but Dogecoin has really picked up on this news. It has literally traded more than most other tokens in the market this week. At one point, it was actually up over 100% on the week. It's currently traded back down a tiny bit, so it's only up 83% only. But I expect to see more headlines on this meme-related token if Twitter does indeed go through and have further adoption of the digital assets in their technology stack. All right, that's all we got for this week. Thanks for joining. I hope you enjoyed our insights. Tune in here again next Wednesday at 1 p.m. Pacific to hear what's driving token prices.